If English is not your first language and you are struggling to learn the English grammar, then let me introduce you to a free online tool which can solve your English grammar related problems. I have given the link of that tool in the description below. It is totally free. You can just click that link. It will take you to this page, and tool is called Grammarly. It is a free online writing assistant tool which is powered by the artificial intelligence, meaning by that it can correct your spellings and all other punctuations and grammar related mistakes in your writing. So you can install that into your browser. You can integrate that in the Google Docs. You can also download it for the Microsoft Word, and it also has the apps, the keyboard apps for the Android and the iOS. So I am going to show you how does it work within the browser. So once you'll click the link which is in the description, it will take you to this page, and from here you need to add this extension into your browser. It has the extensions for all the popular browsers, the Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, almost all popular browsers you will find the extension. So just click here and you download the extension in your browser. So once that extension is installed, you need to look for this extension icon on the toolbar, and if you don't see that, click this icon, and from the drop down menu pin the Grammarly for Chrome on your toolbar and click the toolbar, and then from here you need to click for sign up. You can sign up with the Google account also, or you can sign up with the free email, and if you want to do it with the Facebook or Apple ID, you can also do that. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. So I've just logged in with my Google account. So once you're logged in, you will see that they have the apps for the Microsoft Office, for the Windows, for the Chrome, and for your phone also. The Grammarly can also be added into your iPad. But let me show you how it is going to help you once you will write within your browser, in case you're writing it in the Google Docs. So once you have written something in the Google Docs, the Grammarly is going to assess your content, and from the bottom right you would see this icon which would show that how many mistakes are there, which the Grammarly is suggesting you. You just need to click this icon. In my case, it is suggesting 3 mistakes, so I'll click this one. So it is going to open a sidebar, and in which the first change which it is suggesting me to do, that to change the word help with helps, which I think is correct. So I'll just click that, and it has changed the text in my article. So in the next one, as you can see that I have intentionally misspelled the word and, which it has found the error, and it is suggesting me to change this word. And again, the spelling of grammar, it is also suggesting me that the correct word is with AR and not ER. So I'll just do that. So now it is, my content is okay. So the Grammarly can check your write up in terms of spellings, errors, and punctuations. It will also check your write up in terms of the grammar, its correctness, its clarity, engagement, and delivery. In terms of the products, they have the Grammarly for Office. They have the keyboards for your both Android and iOS mobiles, and they also have the different plans which you can check out. The premium plan has additional features which I'm just going to show you. In the free version of the Grammarly, you will get the spelling, grammar, and punctuation options, whereas in the premium version you will have the additional features in terms of tone adjustment, plagiarism checker, word choices, formality, level of fluency, additional advanced suggestions. And in terms of the payment, the premium option is $12 a month. So it depends at what is your level of requirement. So if you're just a casual writer, the free version is enough. You can just download it through my link which is given in the description and install the extension for your browsers, and also you can download them for the Microsoft Word. But if you are a student, teacher, or a blogger, or freelance writer, and if you're someone who earns living through writing, then I would suggest you to buy this premium version, that is $12 a month. In the premium version, you will get the option of the plagiarism checker also and all these features. So in order to buy, you just need to go here and click select. You can do the payment through credit card, or you can do it through the PayPal also, and you can cancel the Grammarly at any time if you don't like that. So this is all about the Grammarly tool. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.